Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be starting with exercise 9.2 from class 11 HSC's Mathematics and Statistics part 2, that is chapter 9 differentiations, exercise 9.2. The first question is differentiate the following with respect to x. Now there is a list of differentials that you have to know, right? X raised to n, what is the differential of log x, what is the differential of e raised to x, what is the differential of different trigonometric functions. Now I am moving ahead with the assumption that you know what those are because you've come to solving, right? But if you are not aware of the differentials of different terms, or you are not familiar with what differentiation is overall, leave a comment down below. I'll make a detailed video, or if you need, just a short including what are the important differentials that you have to remember, correct? So moving on, you have the differential of y, that is y dash, it is represented as y dash, is equal to, you have x raised to 4 by 3, so it's x raised to n. X raised to n's differential is n x raised to n minus 1, correct? So you have 4 by 3 x raised to, now 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3, correct? So x raised to 1 by 3 plus, now in differentiation, if there is a plus b plus c, you just go dA by dx plus dB by dx plus dC by dx. But when you have multiple terms inside a term, you use chain rule, correct? There is still time until we start with chain rule questions, but as of now you should know that when there is plus in between terms, you just write the differential of those terms and put plus or minus according to whatever is given in the question. So here there's a plus, so you write the differential of this term plus differential of e raised to x. Common knowledge, differential of e raised to x is e raised to x. Don't worry if you don't know the differentials yet, you can just comment down. I'll make a list of whatever you need to remember in a short, or if you need a detailed explanation, mention that. I'll make a detailed video on differentiation. Now, differential of sine x. Differential of sine x is cos x. There is no negative or positive before it, like positive if nothing is mentioned, so it's just cos x, no, not minus cos x. And since you have a minus sign before sine x, it's gonna be minus cos x, and that's your answer, right? Now if you want to make it seem more elaborate, what you'll do is, let's see in question 2, y dash equal to, now x under root x can be written as x raised to 1 by 2, so you'll write d by dx into x raised to 1 by 2 plus d by dx of tan x minus d by dx of x cube. So d by dx of x raised to 1 by 2, that's 1 by 2 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 plus d by dx of tan x is sec square x. So you have sec square x minus x cube, that's 3x square. So what do you have here? 1 by 2 under root x plus, so it's 1 upon under root x plus sec square x minus 3x square. Moving on to the third question. Now it's very easy until here. Third one is also easy. You just need to know the differential of log x. But instead of directly jumping into it, why don't we simplify it into something that you'll understand, right? So you have log x, so y equals log x, fair enough, minus cosec x, right, plus phi raised to x, that's the form of a raised to x, minus, you have 3 upon x to the power 3 by 2. Instead of writing x under it and getting confused, bring x to the numerator and make the power negative. So you have 3x to the power minus 3 by 2. Now it's going to be very easy. Y dash is equal to d by dx of log x minus d by dx of cosec x plus d by dx of phi raised to x minus, now 3 is a constant, right? So you won't differentiate it, you just bring 3 outside, and d by dx of x to the power minus 3 by 2. So d by dx of log x is 1 upon x minus d by dx of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x plus now a raised to x is a raised to x log a. So you have 5 raised to x log 5 minus 3 into d by dx of 3 x to the power minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 x to the power. Now minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is minus 5 by 2. Simplifying this into something that's more pleasing to our eyes and more good looking, you have 1 by x plus cosec x cot x plus 5 raised to the power x log 5, my bad, plus 3 3s are 9 by 2 and it's x to the power minus 5 by 2. So you have 1 upon x to the power 5 by 2. And that's your answer for question 3. Moving on to question number 5. So here we have question 4, not 5. I had said 5, my bad. Question 4, differential of this. Now before directly jumping into differentiation of this, what we'll do is we'll write y is equal to x to the power 7 by 3 plus 5x to the power 4 by 5 minus, we hate our variable in the denominator, bring it to the numerator, x to the power minus 2 by 5. Great. Now we'll differentiate this. Y dash is equal to d by dx of x to the power 7 by 3 plus 5, because it's a constant, d by dx of x to the power 4 by 5 minus 5 outside again because that is your constant, d by dx of x to the power minus 2 by 5. Differentiation, very easy. X to the power n is differentiated as n into x to the power n minus 1. So you have 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 becomes your constant. X, 7 by 3 minus 1 is 4 by 3. Plus 5, your 4 by 5 comes out as a constant. X to the power 4 by 5 minus 1 is minus 1 by 5. Minus 5 minus 2 by 5 comes out as a constant, and x to the power minus 2 by 5 minus 1, so minus 2 by 5 minus 1 would be x to the power minus 7 by 5. Amazing. So 5 cancel each other here and here because it's in the numerator and denominator. So you have 7 by 3 x to the power 4 by 3 plus 4, and since it's minus 1 by 5 here, x comes to the denominator as 1 by 5. Minus of minus 2, that's plus 2, and again your x's power is negative, so your x comes in the denominator as 7 by 5. And that's your question number 4. Moving on to question 5. Okay, so here we have question number 5. First, let's simplify it because we hate our variables when it's like two variables together, and over here it's log and this is 7 raised to 7, which is basically a constant. So what we hate here is basically this term where. So here we have simplified the 5th sub question and now it looks like this. Differentiating this is a cakewalk now. So you have y dash is equal to, we knew that a to the power x becomes a to the power x log a. So 7 to the power x log 7 plus 7x raised to 6 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 becomes your constant. X to the power 1 by 2 minus log x becomes 1 by x. Since 7 to the power 7 is a constant, differentiation of a constant is 0. So you get 0. Writing this in a prettier way, you get 7 to the power x log 7 y dash is equal to plus 7 x to the power 6, 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, so minus 1 x to the power under root x minus 1 by x. And yeah, that's question number 5. Moving on to question 6, which is y equals 3 cot x minus 5 e to the power x plus 3 log x minus 4 upon x to the power 3 by 4. Now let us simplify this just like we simplified question 5. Y equals 3 cot x minus 5 e to the power x plus 3 log x minus 4 x to the power minus 3 by 4. So differentiating this, you have y dash is equal to 3 d by dx cot x minus 5 e to the power 5 d by dx e to the power x plus 3 d by dx log x minus 4 d by dx x to the power minus 3 by 4. Now d by d cot x by dx, cot x differential is minus cosec square x. You have minus cosec square x minus 5 d by dx of ex is e to the power x plus d by dx log x is 1 by x minus d by dx x to the power minus 3 by 4. You get minus 3 by 4 as the constant and it becomes x to the power minus 7 by 4 because minus 3 by 4 minus 1 is minus 7 by 4. Making it prettier or into a form that we like, you have minus 3 cosec square x plus minus 5 e to the power x plus 3 by x, cancelling of the 4's. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3, and since the power of your x is negative, upon x to the power minus x to the power 7 by 4. So guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you need the detailed video on finding differentials of different standard functions, or if you need me to make a short with just the differentials that you have to remember. Right? Mostly it's logical. If you remember a few, you'll remember the rest very easily. You need to remember mainly for trigonometric ratios. What about like differential of constant is 0, differential of x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1, and differential of some other functions. And yeah, other than that, you need to understand the chain rule and the product rule, all of that, and that's it basically. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below like I said.